You are not old. Your pelvic floor just needs the right movement. Before we start, pause for 1 second. Tell me your name in the comments, and also tell me your age, because this video is not for young or old people. This video is for anyone who wants to feel strong, confident, and in control of their body again. Many people think weakness, poor control, discomfort, or low confidence are signs of aging. They are told this is normal after 40, after 50, after 60. But science says something different. Most of these problems come from one hidden area, your pelvic floor. When pelvic muscles become tight, weak, or inactive, your whole body suffers. Your posture changes, your core becomes unstable. Your confidence drops. Even simple movements like walking, bending, or standing feel uncomfortable. The good news, you don't need heavy workouts. You don't need machines. You don't need hours. You just need the right exercises done slowly, correctly, and consistently. Today, I'll show you 5 simple pelvic floor exercises that wake up deep muscles, improve control, and make your body feel younger again. Let's begin. Exercise 1. Inner strength stretch. This exercise gently activates the inner thighs and deep pelvic muscles. Sit or stand comfortably. Bring your legs slightly apart. Now slowly lean into the stretch while breathing deeply. As you stretch, imagine lifting the muscles inside your lower body. Gently, not forcefully. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Breathe slowly. This stretch improves blood flow and reconnects your brain to your pelvic floor, something most people lose with age. Exercise 2. Dynamic knee drop. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Slowly drop one knee to the side. Then bring it back to the center. Switch sides. Move slowly and with control. This movement improves hip mobility and pelvic coordination. It also releases tight muscles that pull the pelvis out of alignment. Do 8 to 10 repetitions on each side. If you feel shaking, that's good. It means dormant muscles are waking up. Exercise 3. Leaning forward, side lunge. Stand with feet wide apart. Shift your weight to one side and gently bend that knee. Lean slightly forward while keeping the other leg straight. You should feel a stretch in the inner thigh and hip. Hold for a few seconds, then switch sides. This exercise strengthens the pelvic floor while improving balance, especially important as we age. Do 6 to 8 slow reps per side. Exercise 4. Rocking frog stretch. Come down to the floor on hands and knees. Open your knees wider than hips. Feet turn slightly outward. Now gently rock your body back and forth. Move slowly. No forcing. This stretch deeply relaxes the pelvic floor and hips. It's especially helpful for people who feel tight, stiff, or restricted. Spend 30 to 40 seconds here. Breathe deeply and let your body soften. Exercise 5. Lying hip circle. Lie on your back. Lift one knee toward your chest. Now draw slow circles with your knee. Small circles, controlled movement. Switch directions, then change legs. This exercise improves joint health, coordination, and pelvic control. It also helps retrain muscles that stop working due to long sitting or inactivity. Do 6 to 10 circles per leg. Now listen carefully. These exercises are simple, but they are powerful. If you do them daily, 5 to 10 minutes a day, your body will change. You'll feel more stable, more confident, more in control. This is not about age. This is about activation. Many people ignore their pelvic floor for decades. But once you train it correctly, the body responds even after 50, 60, or more. Remember, you are not old. Your body just needs the right signal. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe for more science-backed exercises, and comment your name and age. I personally read them. Stay strong. Stay confident.